The coin in the images is a 1 Gulden guilder coin from the Kingdom of the Netherlands, minted in the year 1967. This denomination served as one of the fundamental units of Dutch currency before the introduction of the euro. The coin is not only a piece of national economic history, but also a representation of the Netherlands' monarchical heritage and mid-20th century numismatic artistry. Here is a full, richly detailed historical and numismatic overview of the 1967 Netherlands 1 Gulden coin. Written for in-depth reading over approximately 30 minutes. Obverse description and symbolism. Obverse front side of the coin features a right-facing portrait of Queen Juliana of the Netherlands, who reigned from 1948 to 1980. The legend inscribed around the edge reads, Juliana Koningin der Nederlanden, which translates to Juliana, Queen of the Netherlands. The portrait presents Juliana in a dignified and poised manner, reflecting her image as a monarch dedicated to the people. Her rule marked a significant transition from a colonial empire toward a modern, socially conscious European state. The depiction is symbolic of continuity and modernity, marking the Netherlands' post-war transformation. This portrait was designed by Ludwig Oswald Wenkbach, a Dutch sculptor and medalist known for his realistic and detailed renderings. His work emphasizes restraint and naturalism rather than stylization or grandeur. In keeping with Juliana's humble public image, reverse description, and heraldic elements. Reverse of the coin showcases the Dutch coat of arms beneath a regal crown. This coat of arms features a lion rampant, holding a sword and arrows, symbolizing the nation's preparedness for both war and peace, martial readiness, and political unity. The denomination appears flanking the shield, 1G, with G representing Gulden Dutch guilder. The date 1967 is divided around the crown, 19 on the left, 67 on the right. Below the arms is the word Nederland, denoting the issuing country. The crowned lion is a long-standing Dutch national symbol. It conveys courage and independence, tracing its roots to the Union of Utrecht 1579, which laid the groundwork for the Dutch Republic. The reverse was also designed by Ludwig Oswald Wenkbach, providing stylistic unity between both sides of the coin. Specifications: country, Netherlands, denomination. 1. Gulden 1G year, 1967 metal. Nickel as silver was phased out for circulation coins in 1967. Weight: 6.5 grams diameter, 25 millimeters thickness. Approximately 1.9 mg, reeded milled mint, Royal Dutch Mint. Utrecht, Koninklijke Nederlandse Munt engraver. LO Wenchubu historic context. Netherlands in the 1960s. The 1960s were a period of profound transformation in the Netherlands. After 2 decades of post-World War II reconstruction, the country experienced economic prosperity and social change. Queen Juliana, though from a royal lineage, was widely seen as down-to-earth and empathetic, often referred to as the mother of the nation. She was deeply admired for her commitment to democracy, human rights, and social welfare. In 1967, the Netherlands was still under the reign of Queen Juliana, who was 58 years old at the time. The Dutch economy was booming, thanks to industrialization and the growth of its trade and services sectors. Dutch society was becoming more progressive and increasingly international in outlook, transitioning away from its traditional pillars. This coin thus symbolizes a nation rooted in its royal and republican traditions, while engaging with a rapidly modernizing world. Numismatic significance and collectability. The 1967 1 Gulden coin is widely collected, though not rare due to its large mintage and durable nickel composition. Nevertheless, it is historically significant because it was one of the last years before significant stylistic changes occurred in Dutch coinage. It was among the last large shoe coins before the increasing use of more compact, lightweight coins. It represents the late reign of Queen Juliana, just 13 years before her abdication in 1980 in favor of her daughter, Queen Beatrix, while silver 1 gulden coins were issued up until 1966. The 1967 coin is nickel-based, marking the start of a new phase in post-war coin metallurgy. Value today as of mid-2020s. Circulated condition, 50 cents to $2 Austin. Circulated condition, $5 to $15 USD, depending on luster and strike quality. Proof or mint set examples. Higher value for numismatic grade or presentation coins. Note, value may vary depending on the buyer's location, rarity in their market, and collector interest, legacy, and transition. This coin is a tribute to a beloved monarch and a snapshot of a pivotal decade in Dutch history. Juliana's reign emphasized compassion, internationalism, and the role of the monarchy as a symbol of unity rather than autocratic power. After her abdication in 1980, the coinage was updated with portraits of Queen Beatrix. The gulden remained the national currency of the Netherlands until the introduction of the euro in 2002, at which point it was officially retired from circulation. The 1 gulden coin thus serves as a nostalgic reminder of pre-euro European identities. Conclusion: the 1967 Netherlands 1 gulden coin offers a remarkable intersection of political history, art, and monetary tradition, featuring Queen Juliana's graceful portrait and the heraldic lion of the Dutch coat of arms. It reflects both the dignified heritage of the Dutch monarchy and the pragmatic, economic resilience of the nation in the 20th century. For collectors, it is a tangible emblem of a bygone era in which national currencies were not only economic tools, but also symbols of sovereignty and cultural pride. Let this coin remind us of the value of continuity in leadership, the beauty of numismatic design, and the importance of remembering the stories carried by everyday objects.